of Gardening with the Pryors. The first time we filmed it, the camera was pointed the wrong way and you had a nice view of my boob. And I'm sure you've already seen that. Don't want to see it again. Anyways, okay, so here's an updated, we've got another beautiful day. So we're fortunate. I think on Monday it was supposed to be getting rain, but right now we're enjoying this beautiful weather. Yeah. But here's an updated view of the front garden. Okay, with the mushroom and the gnome and armadillo. We got to name that guy.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I don't
Army?
know. What's that?
It's called Army.
Army? And what about this guy?
Nomi.
Nomi. Army
Mushy.
and Nomi. And Mushy. Okay, all right, there you go. But they seem to be pretty happy, so they're so far so good. So we're okay. The calla lily is doing well there too, so that is good. Okay, now we will... There we go, I think, yeah. I got to figure out where the camera is so I'm not sticking my hand in front of it, because that would be take 3, and I don't know. You can do it 3 times.
Don't show the garage.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Don't look at the garage. Don't look at the garage. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. So now we'll go into the back, and there. Look at Midnight's corner. It's pretty happy there. So everything is looking all right. It's looking good. I love the colors on that thing.
Yeah,
so
I like the oranges.
yeah. And then there's Carl's peppers. There's 2 that are doing really well. 3 that are they're touch and go. But yeah, I think once the roots get stronger, then the stems will pick up too. So the rhododendron that I had planted here in this corner wasn't doing well. Let me show you. We've tried to give it a little bit of what do you call this, shock treatment or whatever. So we dug up the hibiscus that was here that died. It was here for years, so the roots were, it was a little bit of a challenge getting that up. But yeah, so it died because it got frozen. But we put the rhododendron here. I think it was getting too much sun where it was. I wasn't counting on the morning sun and the hot. So we got some Texas red grass that we're putting there, and I put there too. And where the rhododendron was, I thought it should do okay there as well. Okay, so now here we go. Go over to. Oh yeah. I was gonna put the red grass in the hot tub pots, but when Carl was cleaning them up, he saw that they were fighting to live.
Again, yeah.
So we thought, all right, let's give them a whirl. We'll see if they make it there. If they don't grow fast enough or whatever,
So we can put the grass
we
there.
we can definitely move them somewhere else. Clearly we've got enough room to put stuff. Anyways, okay, so then I've got the zinnias. I've got them planted there with, so hopefully they're not too crowded so they don't fight, they get along. The sago little, what do you call it? Pups. The pups that we cut off of those, the big one.
It's from the front.
Yeah, that's from the front, the big one. So it seems to be, they seem to be doing okay. I figured by now we would see some browning or if they weren't happy, but the wildflowers are doing very nicely there. They love it.
So the weeds.
And the weeds, yeah.
You're welcome to come join us when we weed.
That's right, yeah. Well, yeah, we've got lots of weeds. And we've got a nice little stool that you can sit on.
Yeah, there
so,
you go.
We've got the plumeria. That's the lay flowers. It's starting to get little buds here. So when they start to flower, these are going to turn into flowers.
Yeah, I think they will.
So, and when they flower, I will do another updated Gardening with the Pryors.
Yeah.
So, other than that, I put another grass way over here. Had to be very careful because all the power lines, the gas line and the cable line and the telephone line, all come through this garden for some unknown reason. Okay, so I put another grass there next to your flower. And see, look at this way. that's where somebody came in and said, oh, that's where the gas line is. So I don't think we should do too much digging there. So anyways, everything else is looking pretty, starting to look good. So, but anyways, that is this week's installment of Gardening with the Pryors.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for next week's episode.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll see.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, we love ya.
Love you.
Okay, bye-bye.